Okay, so I've been wanting to do this video and I've been trying my best on thinking on how I should explain this. Actually, to be frank, right, I think this is a very big chapter of the real estate property market in Singapore because many things will change in time to come. Actually, without the cooling measure, right, I was already waiting for this end quarter to come because this end quarter impact is going to be very big. And with the cooling measure as an extra push to the whole thing, I'm expecting a clearer picture after this year. So I've been wanting to do this video, right, to explain this thing that I want to talk about, why investor hate me. But I trying to make it like I trying to think how should I say it to make it in something that is easy to understand and as well as you all don't misunderstand it. Okay, so before we go to that video, right, I just want to let you know that I'm trying to see if there is enough people that can attend the December seminar. So I'm going to do my last seminar, which is in December, and this time I think there is going to be new things that we can talk about, like cooling measure, like 2023 outlook. The reason why I want to do it in December, right, is also because I feel that December is like the start of 2023. So if I do it in December, then it will make sense to actually puff up the objective for 2023. But I know that December is going to be a tough month to do seminars because everybody will be overseas, school holidays, everybody will be having fun, everybody will be busy. But I was just trying lah. I'm just really trying my luck to see if there is enough participants. I do not need many people. So if there is enough people that I feel that is worth doing, then I will do. So you can go and find out the link in the Telegram group for registration, or I will put it in the comments below or the description. If you have time, you can go and register. Okay. Again, I would say most of the proceeds will go to charity again. Okay. I cannot give everything. The reason is because I need to pay for the ACRA registration, the bank fees, the function room, and all these things. So all these things got to be paid away first before I can take the remaining to donate it to charity. Okay, so please go and find out. And if you haven't subscribed and you haven't liked, please do so. Okay, now we shall go to the topic on why investor hate me. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you why investor hate me. Okay, not like directly they hate me lah, but I want to explain this is because I have many buyers that are investors that call me. Okay, and they may have feel that I screen them or I qualify them, but actually it's not really true. Okay, let me share with you a concept that I'm having now and the experience that I'm going through. Many investors call me for the last few months, and what happened is they want to buy property, they want to invest in property. Okay, and many time they view for the first 2 to 3 weekends, 2 to 3 days, because you like 3 weekends will be like maybe 2 days, 3 days of viewing. After 2 or 3 days of viewing, right, they will disappear from the market. Why do they disappear from the market? Let me explain to you. It's very simple. Because the expectation of the investor and my understanding of the market and the reality of the market doesn't tally. Especially now till 2023, right? This is going to be a bigger problem. Because many investors may enter the market today thinking that they want to get something that is $100 per square feet lower or $150 per square feet lower. This is why normally when investors call me, they tell me they want to invest in property. I'll ask them, are you ready to buy today? What is the price that you are looking at? Is it 30 per square feet lower than market price and you're okay? Because if you are looking for 50, 100, 150 per square feet lower, then I cannot help you. Why? Because I know it won't happen. Actually, I mentioned this a lot in my videos about the 3 years SSD and the effect of the 3 years bull market till today. I can tell you that the market remains very low in new transactions. And also from now to January, there is very, very little units to choose from. So if you're looking to buy a unit, let's not put whether is it investment or own stay. You realize that after 2 to 3 weeks of viewing, that's all. You finish viewing everything. I remember I did tell people that 6 months ago, 8 months ago, 1 year, I told you that buying is difficult. And I tell you that it will not improve and it will only get worse. And I will tell you that the worst is today, but the worst has not come yet. That is going to be worse and worse. Because I asked my agents, I put up this question. If you are a seller and you're looking to sell for the money, you would have so long ago, right? You wouldn't think about selling in 2023 when we know that the market is not going to be good. So the people that sell in 2023 will be people that seriously need to sell, need to upgrade, need to change house, need to transit. If the person is selling for money, they won't sell in 2023. And the people that sell bought a house in 2020, 2021, 2022, will they sell their house away in 2023? They won't. The chances is really very, very low. So if you want to look for a seller, a real seller for 2023, it's very difficult. This is for the resale market. If you go to the new launch market, you realize that price is all-time high. So there is a very big price gap between the resale market and the new launch market. The people that can afford the resale market may not be able to afford the new launch market. The people that afford the new launch market will not buy the resale market. So the thing is, when you go to the new launch market today, when you pay this price, will you earn money? I tell you, it's still a very big question mark. And do you have the holding power to hold long enough? Then if you go down to the next market, which we call the TOP market, means the people that just take their keys, TOP project market. This market, you realize these people, they will not sell low. They will try to sell high because they don't want to lose money. But by selling high, will people buy or not? If people don't buy, then what will they do? They will just force themselves to go and be a landlord, rent out their unit. So this chain effect will come into place and you will see it more obviously later on. So when you are an investor today, you always think that price will drop, you want to buy cheap, So my question to you is, do you want to buy at 50 per square feet cheaper or 100 per square feet cheaper? Because if you want to buy at 100 per square feet cheaper, you look for me now, I cannot help you. Because I know that nobody is going to sell you 100 per square feet cheaper. So should you wait till the market drop 100 per square feet cheaper? Of course you should. But if the market drop 100 per square feet cheaper, will you come and tell me again that, Aaron, I want to buy another 100 per square feet cheaper? Then my question is, when will you want to invest? And nobody will be able to tell you when is the lowest point. So this is the part where I need to understand the expectation of the investor, because many people may want to invest in property, but they themselves cannot get a clear understanding on how are they going to invest, what is the investment plan. And some people may have a certain kind of properties that they want to invest in. I receive many calls from many investors that they want to invest in this property, that property, this area, that area. After they give it to me, I told them that I don't think this area will make money. Even if today you buy 100 per square feet lower, I don't think you'll make money. Then they give me the WTF look. Like, huh? I want to explain myself is that I want to give a very clear understanding to all the investor today is that the next move that you should be looking is when will it hit the lowest point and how long it takes to rebound. If your property don't have the holding power, remember I tell you, it's not just about you having the holding power, it's also the property age, the condition of the property, or the property prices go down, it may not come out enough. So today I feel that, let's say I feel that the cutoff point for the property is at least 300 per square feet lower. The thing is, you can wait. Will this 300 per square feet lower come? It may not come. So you may just buy 100 per square feet lower, 10 years later, it still be 100 per square feet lower. The price didn't increase, the price also may not drop. This is what I'm trying to tell you. So you still won't earn money from that. Yes, you may earn rental yield, but when you want to sell, got people want to buy from you or not? Because of the age. So it's very hard for me to explain it in a very simple way. But I just want to say that as an investor, please do not hate me, because I want to tell you the truth. I want to give you the correct information. I am not afraid to tell you the truth, because I want to do a long business in this property industry. And I don't want people to regret what they buy 5 years later, 8 years later, 10 years later. I want people to remember that they bought this property from me 5 years later and they earn money and they come back to look for me again. So this is why I want to be very clear. If I cannot deliver your expectation, I cannot serve you, I cannot help you. So I think this is a big problem in the property investment market now. And this property investor, right, you all will fall into this trap, which is every buyer will fall into this trap, whether is it property investment or other kinds of investment, is what is the lowest point. In stocks, in other REITs or whatever, or shares or whatever, people talk about dollar cost averaging. But you cannot do dollar cost averaging in property, because there's a holding period and it doesn't work that way. So if you think that the property price will drop, you must ask yourself, what is the price that you think is worth buying for this property? Because you let me know the price, I will tell you, is it achievable today? If it's not achievable today, I won't serve you. You can wait till it happen later, but I won't know when. So to give you a different perspective, right? If you were to ask me today, what will I invest in, or what kind of property will I invest in, I'd be very straightforward to you. The property that I buy right today is property that I'm not afraid to buy 50 per square feet lower than the market price today. I know that 2-3 years later it may drop. I don't care. It's okay. As long as I feel that I get a good buy, I rent it out. I know that my rental yield is strong enough. I don't need to be afraid. I don't need to go and time the lowest point. Because while I time the lowest point, right, there will be situations like interest coming into the situation, rental price may also drop. There is so many factors that I cannot be timing or I cannot be predicting. So I rather know what kind of property I should be buying, because the kind of property that I buy is property that I know that it will increase 7, 8, 10 years later. I know that this price I buy is not the cut-off price. So I don't know if you understand, but I also know that the property I buy, the rental yield is good enough. And I also know that the property I buy, that is potential in selling next time. So I feel that every investor should watch my video before they call me, because I feel that this is going to be a big problem for property buyers or even property investor or own stay or whatever, and you don't want to lose money, or upgraders or whatever. This is going to be a very big problem that you will foresee in a bear market when prices starts to fall and you feel that the market is weakening. Many people will have this big question mark in their mind. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I don't know if I explain it well, but I will explain it again if I feel that it's not good enough. But I hope you understand and you get the essence from the video. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and my advice to you is you need to know what you are investing. I can tell you that if today you buy a property cheaper than market price, it doesn't mean you will make money. Okay, I just want to be very direct in this. If today you buy a property that is below market price, it doesn't mean you will make money in the next 5 to 10 years to come, or even more, because the price that you buy, even though it's cheaper, is already above the cut-off price. The property may not appreciate there. I share many charts in the Telegram group, and I show you that some property only managed to cut off higher because of the COVID bull run. If there's no COVID bull run, right, those people that bought in 2013, they may not even make money today. Okay, and I send you the statistics and show you. So I feel that as an investor, you need to know what is your direction. You need to know if you're ready to buy today. If you're not ready to buy today, don't enter the market. If you are ready to buy later on or 100 per square feet lower, you can check with me. You can call me consistently and ask me, oh, you know, I'm looking at this property, I'm looking at buy at this price, is it possible now? I will tell you. But if you yourself don't know what is the price that you want to buy, or what is the direction, and you don't want to listen to my advice, then it's very hard for me to help you, because we have conflicting ideas, yet I try to share with you the truth, but you don't get it. Then when you don't make money, you may blame me also. So that's why I'm also very afraid of this. And you may come to the market thinking that, hey, this property will get this price, but after coming to the market, you will waste 3 weeks of your time, 4 weeks of time viewing, and end up you buy nothing, you just leave the market. You will also waste my time. So this is what I'm also very afraid of. So I hope you understand. It's going to be very, very hard in the property market, and 2023 is really the year to look at. Hit the like button. Bye bye. And don't forget, if you are interested in the seminar, go and register now. If we got enough people, we will conduct it, and then we will share more in the seminar. Bye bye.